Hello everyone, welcome back into this channel, and today I want to show you the tutorial how to delete your Instagram account or deactivate your Instagram account by iOS or iPhone. So first thing we have to do here is just go open the Instagram application, and now we just need to decide which account that you want to delete and make sure that you logged in into it. So I already logged in with the account that I want to delete, and after that you just need to go click in the profile, and when you arrive in the profile just need to click these three straight lines. In these three straight lines, go into the settings and privacy and go click account center. In this account center just need to go click a personal details, and after that go into the account ownership and control. In this account ownership and control, you just need to click deactivation or deletion, and after that now you just need to read it first. Make sure you read it first, deactivation or deletion. To start the process, select what you like to temporarily deactivate or permanently delete, and after that you just need to click it, and after that you just need to go click which one that you want to add. Make sure you read the information first before you do that. Deactivating your account is temporary, and it means that your profile will be hidden on Instagram until you reactivate it through account center or by logging in to your Instagram account. But while the delete account will be deleting your account is permanent, when you delete your Instagram account, your profile, photo, videos, comment, like, and followers will be permanently removed. If you just like to take a break, you can temporarily deactivate your account. If you want to deactivate, just go click it, and after that you just need to go click continue, and you just need to put the password of this account, and after that you just need to go click continue, and you need to give the reason why you want to deactivating your Instagram, and after that you just need to click continue. Now make sure that you confirm that you want to deactivate this account. Okay, the final process. Okay, now this account is already deactivated. So that's the way how to delete or deactivate your Instagram account. If you find that this tutorial is useful for you, don't forget to subscribe into this channel.